Hello, good evening. We're at the Lantana Nature Preserve. Let's go for a walk. Start off this walk right by this gazebo. This information board talks about the coastal hardwood hammock. It is what makes the landscape of Florida. It comprised of 200 species of trees and shrubs and vines. They are found along the Atlantic coast from Cape Canaveral down to Miami. Originally, the Lantana Nature Preserve was a dump site for the town of Lantana in the 1960s. It has since been reshaped by adding 500 trees and 10,000 shrubs. And in the early 2000s, it was reclaimed to be a nature preserve. And here's some sea grapes. The fruit of the sea grapes is edible and it does make great jam. Here we have a banyan/strangler fig with awesome roots. I will link videos of where I talk about the strangler figs. Here's another strangler fig. As you can see, it is in the process of strangling this palm. Right in the water are mangroves. They're a part of Florida's ecosystem, found along the coast and in swampy areas. This billboard talks about the restoration of the Lake Worth Lagoon. We have dedication to the volunteer team that helped restorated and cleaned up the Lake Worth Lagoon. It also talks about the mangroves that were added to help reshape the Lake Worth Lagoon, including all the documented fish and other species. I also mentioned in my snook video about how they added oysters, which help filter out the water. According to this billboard, the oysters can help filter out 50 gallons a day. They also provide habitats to the sea life. There's a lot of diverging trails around here. Different paths to take different adventures. I am gonna take the drier trail. It has been raining quite a lot recently. This information board talks about the mangrove community. Mangroves were brought back into the Lake Worth Lagoon to reshape it. The mangroves are used by many species as a protective nursery. Here is a nice view of some of the mangroves. Here are some roots of the banyan / strangler tree. Going through a nice tunnel made out of sea grapes. Awesome maze of a root system from this banyan tree. It's amazing. The rains this week has caused a lot of flooding, and it looks like this side of the outlook is underwater. We have made it back around to the front. Now let's see if we can keep our toes dry through this swamp. We had such a lovely walk here at the Lantana Nature Preserve. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.